Welcome. In this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of ChatGPT. Ever wondered what it is and how it works? Let's find out. We'll start with a quick overview of what ChatGPT is and why it's been making headlines. ChatGPT is a powerful AI chatbot capable of engaging in human-like conversations and generating creative content. It was developed by OpenAI, a research organization at the forefront of AI innovation. Now let's look at some of the key features that make ChatGPT stand out. At its core, ChatGPT is a large language model, or LLM, meaning it's trained on vast amounts of text data. This training enables it to generate text that is remarkably coherent and human-like. It excels in conversational AI, allowing users to interact with it naturally, as if they were talking to a person. So how does this sophisticated tool actually function? ChatGPT's intelligence comes from being trained on massive data sets of text and code from the internet. It utilizes a cutting-edge machine learning framework called the transformer architecture, which helps it understand context and generate relevant responses. The applications for ChatGPT are broad and constantly expanding. Here are some of the most common uses. It's a fantastic tool for getting quick answers to a wide range of questions. From drafting professional emails to generating creative content, ChatGPT can significantly speed up your writing process. For developers, it can generate code snippets, help with debugging, and explain complex programming concepts. It's also excellent for summarization and translation tasks, bridging language barriers. As powerful as ChatGPT is, it's important to be aware of its limitations and potential risks. One major limitation is its potential to generate factual errors or hallucinations. Remember, always double-check information from any AI. Also, data privacy is a serious concern. Be cautious about sharing sensitive or personal information, as it may be used for future training. In summary, ChatGPT is a revolutionary tool. Let's look at its overall impact and future. ChatGPT is already transforming how we work, learn, and interact with technology, making complex tasks more accessible and efficient. The future of conversational AI is bright, with advancements continually pushing the boundaries of what these models can achieve. Stay tuned for what comes next.